I'm CA Dr. Vishnu Bharat, President of APS Institutions. I'm eagerly awaiting to see all of you on the 26th January 25, Republic Day, and it's going to be Alumni Day for APS. So I'm at your venue, so where the event is going to take place. So you know that it is a playground, and it is a playground of 3 acres, and we are going to illuminate the all the trees around the compound and the institution, and we are going to make it the best of venue what is could be there. We are proud owners of this ground, and we wanted to use it and showcase our the assets to you, so that you can also go around and look around and see the places where you had come up with had education. So here I wanted to give a final this one to all of you. The invite is going to be sent, and along with that there's going to be details. So about the registration, about the dining, about the parking. Kindly go through that, so that to make it a very comfortable evening and an enjoyable evening. Because of that, a large crowd, about more than 5,000 participants are going to be there, and we wanted to make it a very joyful event. So because of that, there are certain restrictions on parking. The police have told us all around the 4 sides of this institution is going to be barricaded, so that kindly look into the convenient place where the parking is going to be there, and from there we are having the buses facility for you to pick up and drop back also. So from the barricaded place we have arranged the cars where we can go for drop you, pick you up and bring it to you to the venue. So we will try to make it coming as comfortable as possible. So try to cooperate. There's going to be a large crowd, and mind you, there are people who are not able to walk, are able to be controlled by themselves. Kindly see online. There's going to be online presentation. Online. This one will be there, so you can also look into the online, and you can enjoy the evening. So as far as this one is concerned, most of them have excelled their career. All of them have registered. They are also eagerly awaiting. I'm so happy to inform you that the people who are coming from the France, US and other countries for this occasion. So such is the enthusiasm for the alumni, and we would reciprocate and see that it's going to be a very great event for you. So the preparations are on. All the committees are meeting quite often and trying to make your the event most successful, most trouble-free, so that you will have a wonderful time. So as I was telling you, this is the playground of 3 acres. We are going to illuminate the whole place and trying to give you the best of the best venue according to this one what we are looking at it. And several committees are formed. It's going to be an event where the management will be present, the members of the trust are going to be there, the faculty will be there, and the alumni. So this is a reunion of this. So I would put it in this way: 3 C's, connecting each other. So of course you are already connected, you are going to be reconnected. Let us together enjoy it, celebrate it. And the 3rd C is collaborate for the development of the institution. So this is my 3C formula which I have taken it: connection, celebration and collaboration. So we will make things happen. You please help us out. There are several things which we are planned out. People have asked me what help they could do it. Maybe singularly, maybe collectively, maybe batch wise, maybe however way the way you want it. So we are adopting the student adoption scheme. We have a classroom adoption scheme. We are having sponsorship for the events. We are having endowment lectures for the sports, endowment lectures for the academic events, and infrastructure development. There are 10 projects which we have taken up. The people who wanted, you can also join us. What we were thinking of, 50% of contribution, if it comes through the alumni, 50% the trust will make it, and it will be named after the badge or whatever the name it has been suggested. So things are in good shape, things are happening. I'm eagerly awaiting to meet all of you. The invite is being sent by email. Please kindly go through the invite, and also more importantly the details what we are given regarding parking, regarding the dining, and regarding the registration. We are going to have a very precious moment for you. Please do come and take it. It's going to be an all-time preserved memento. It is going to be. So there's going to be a goodie bag with a lot of things in it which you can really relish it, and things are happening. Only thing, you please come and participate and show your association with the institution which you have come up in life. Thank you so much. Eagerly waiting for you. Let us see. Thank you.